regret not buying this pair, and here's why. There's a crazy story behind this pair that not a lot of people know about. And once everyone figures it out, they're all gonna want a pair. This pair is still sitting at the Nike outlets, and it's available on the sneakers app right now. And I think a lot of people are gonna regret passing on this pair. A lot of people have been complaining about a small detail, but that detail is what's gonna cause this pair to rise in price. All right. What pair is it? If you want a chance to win free shoes, hit that subscribe button, comment done, and you might win. Yo, special attention, Michael Jordan on the inside of the lid. Check this paper out. So it looks like there's multiple different photos on the tissue paper from iconic photo shoots of MJ. Check these out. Reimagined black toe Jordan 1. Such a beautiful shoe. And this is the detail that everyone's complaining about. You either love it or hate it. If you're familiar with the 2016 pair, you know that they typically have the Jordan Wings logo on them. Not this pair. We have the OG Air Jordan branding. And a lot of people are upset about that. But we're gonna get into exactly why this logo is here, as well as other hidden logos on the shoe that you don't see from a first glance. And to think, this pair is going for below retail right now. Tons of people paid $300 to $500 to get this pair early. And now we're seeing it go for below retail and even be available at some Nike outlets. Who would have thought we'd ever see the day where a black toe Jordan 1 would be available at the Nike outlet? Hey, I'm not complaining, but I think a lot of people are going to regret leaving it sit on the shelf, just like they did to the Black Cat Jordan 4. This is a very special pair with some hidden details that no one knows about. And once they figure it out, I think this pair is going to go up in price. And I think a lot of people are going to regret not buying it for retail when they could. This logo isn't the only difference between the 2025 and the 2016 pair. The 2016 pair has a white tongue. For the 2025, they chose a black tongue. They also decided to make the swoosh larger on the 2025 pair, bringing back that OG large swoosh vibe. And Jordan Brand couldn't help themselves but to put an aged midsole on the pair to resemble the Lost and Found. Hey, if you didn't hit on Lost and Founds, here's your chance. They're still available. Not only are they available, they're going for $150 right now. $30 below retail. So if you didn't buy them for $180, I would definitely buy them for $150. They will never get cheaper than that. All right. So what's the deal with this Air Jordan branding? Why didn't we get the regular Jordan logo? Before the Jordan Wings logo that we know and love today, this was the Jordan logo. Simple as a pimple. Air Jordan. This pair was originally produced just for Michael Jordan in 1984, and it was a player exclusive, which means no one else in the NBA got their hands on it other than Michael Jordan. Michael wore this pair in multiple iconic photo shoots, which have been portrayed on the tissue paper that comes inside of the shoebox, as well as the shoebox itself. They wanted to get near and dear to the history behind Air Jordan because this sneaker released on the 40-year anniversary of Jordan Brand. So they really took it back to their roots, to the first Air Jordan 1 MJ ever wore. There was known to be only one pair in existence of the original 1985 Air Jordan branded pair, and supposedly Michael Jordan gave it away to one of his dear friends. The pair has never surfaced on the internet, but if it did, you can bet your sweet jahibis it would go for at least $1 million. Which brings us to our next special detail. This is the one that no one knows about. At first glance of the medial side of the left shoe, you would never suspect anything. It just looks like a black toe Jordan 1, right? But once you turn the lights off, the beauty begins to show. Not right away. You need a special blue light. We have a special message from Michael himself that we can only see with a blue light. It might be a little hard to make it out, but it says, "My very best, Michael Jordan." The one-of-one pair that he gave to his friend is rumored to have that written on the medial side, but it's actually written from Michael Jordan. This pair was widely produced, so a machine put this on there. However, the original pair is rumored to actually have his signature and have "My very best" written on it from the man himself, which is the reason that it would fetch $1 million if it's sold in today's market. There have been multiple other pairs that are less rare that have sold for more. After all, MJ said it himself, "My very best." Yes, a lot of people are complaining about the Air Jordan branding on this pair. They didn't get their regular Jordan logo like they wanted, but I think that's good. That makes this pair special. Why would you want it to be like the other pair? This is the only Air Jordan 1 we've ever seen with Air Jordan written on the side of it. Just think about it. It's almost a one-of-one. If it had the regular Jordan logo, it would be just like the 2016 pair. But by them going back to their roots and put in the 1985 branding, it brings a simpler approach, which I think will make it go up in price over time, especially since it's the only Air Jordan that we have to use a blue light to see the message on. You gotta admit, that's pretty cool. Yes, this pair is only going for 150 bucks right now, but we did see the Travis Scott effect after he wore them. The pair skyrocketed in price just a little bit and was going for 250 to 300 bucks there for a while. People were frantically calling sneaker stores to ask if they were gonna get them in stock, just because the man Travis Scott wore them. Now, I don't agree with putting that much hype on a person, but hey, if it's gonna cause sneakers to go up, I'll take it. Even though this pair is going for 150 bucks right now, it is definitely gonna go up in the future. So if you passed on it for retail, double back and grab it for 150. The quality control in this pair is altogether pretty good. Of course, the pair does not come laced, but it comes with red or black laces to finish lacing them up with. We have white insoles, which is a bit tricky, so you almost have to wear white socks with these, and a soft black sock line. Another really special detail that not a lot of people know, if you take a look at the inside of the tongue, we have a translucent interior on the tongue. That is something that is very different from the 2016 pair. With special messages hidden all over this shoe and 40 years of history behind it, I think we're definitely gonna see it continue to rise in price. Michael Jordan is widely recognized as the greatest basketball player of all time. He has worn this pair in-game multiple times very early on in his career. This was the pair before the pairs. When he first signed his deal with Jordan, this was the pair they gave. That was a player exclusive, and they said, hey, wear this pair in the meantime while we work on rolling out your other pairs. They decided to go with the Jordan Wings logo, so this pair was never produced, which makes it extremely rare. So while a lot of people are complaining about the Air Jordan logo, I think I like it. After hearing the story behind it, you can really appreciate the work Jordan put into this pair. So needless to say, if you did hit on the pair, do not sell it just yet. I think it's a no-brainer. You're not gonna sell it and lose 30 bucks. Not only will it go back up 30 bucks to $180 retail, it's gonna keep on going and surpass 200, even 300 in the future, just like the 2016 Black Toe Jordan 1. I told you everyone was gonna regret this pair. Now watch when it goes up in price. People are gonna be wishing they paid 180 bucks. People are gonna especially be wishing they paid 150. I low-key wish I would have waited and paid 150. But hey, now you know this pair is gonna go up, so if you have it, hold it, and if you don't have it, go get it. And if you don't have clear sneaker boxes to put your shoes in, head on over to bvbox.com and use my code RQC, and you're gonna get the best clear boxes out for a discounted price. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this one, check this one out. And if you want me to give away another pair of shoes, click this button and get me to 100,000 subscribers so I can give another pair away. Have a blessed rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace!